Hi everyone, this is how you can make your own little greenhouse out of the supplies you already have. I have a styrofoam egg carton that I have cut the top out of, and I have just used some cling wrap and taped it around. I started with some white duct tape. I don't really care for that. I moved to the regular Scotch tape. I then took a little knife, scored some holes down at the bottom, and on the side I labeled what it is. So this first row is all year round lettuce. It tells you on your packet that you need about a here it is, 1/4 inch deep. That is the way that is for all 3 of these. And this is placed in according to the rows that I have them. This middle row, where you can actually see the seeds, are cilantro. It's very hard to see the lettuce seeds because they really are the same color as the soil. There's probably a better picture of that. So you just put your potting soil in there, or compost, compact it a little bit. You want it to be pretty firm. A little bit of room though, and you just put your seeds in there, and then at the very end, and I like to make a little hole, that way when I am putting the seeds in my hand, especially with lettuce seeds, they're very small. You kind of want to slowly shake them out and just let them roll out of your hand into that hole, and then you can just gently top with a little bit of this starter mix, this organic starter mix, which is incredibly light. And I like the fact that it is a different color, so I can see and control how much I have put on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the rest of this. All I really need to do is top this, finish this up over here. I'm going to water it, close it up, and then I'm going to place it inside or outside, that's up to you, in a sunny location. In a couple of weeks, I should have the starters of lettuce and cilantro. And when you're dealing with head lettuce, not loose leaf, it is really easier to have them in the little cubicles so that you can plant them if you're planting directly into the ground. It's harder when you have to bend down and look at those little seeds. So I like to do it this way. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.